Go. Crowd of people, this is Big Stone again. Boy, that video hilarious, me not tell you no lie. Me have a friend who say, I'm a big friend and I'm a wicked technician, you know. You know him call himself Mafia. But guess what? You say every time him smoke the herb just lick him down. Every time he smoke the herb just lick him down. But guess what? Me take out my video camera and me catch him 2 different times asleep. And every time me get him asleep, him have a list of you know, Father Stone. It's a all in a mess, you know. So boy, you just watch a video. When we see crowd of people phone yourself, is this guy sleeping or what? Oh! Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome once again to In the Streets with Big Stone. I'm here just chilling and videotaping my friend of a dose. And this is how he looks. Just finished smoking a joint and look what has happened to him. Look at the state and the condition that he's in. Eh? And the same can hold the herb, you know. Eh? Look, let's take a look. You see herb there? We know hold it right. Eh? You see it twist you up? Eh? You see a herb twist you up, brethren?
I'm not smoking the herb.
Yeah. So if you don't smoke no herb, you look so. Eh? Yeah, all I meds, brethren. Eh? And the wickedest made this screw you could ever hold it off. Eh?
What time now, brother?
At what time now? Eh? Eh? This one has shot and gone to the world, you know, you. He smokes. And when he smokes, he gets very tired and he cannot sit properly. Take a look at him. Look at his hands. Look at his eyes. And look how far he has gone. Ciao. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, welcome once again to Big Stone in the Streets. As I tell you before, my brother here always goes into a stupor. Here he goes again. This is after he just eat a nice big plate of what you call it, chicken. Now take a look. Living proof that I am not lying. Look at this cup. Look at this. This harm belongs to him. He's gone. He cannot handle this weed. I told him many times to quit smoking, but he has not. And look what it has done to him. If you wake him up right now, I guarantee you, he's gonna say he's holding a meds. Is this what you call holding a meds? Look at the way he holds the meds. Ladies and gentlemen, you see, is this what you call holding a meds, brethren? Yeah? Answer me.
Holding a meds, yes, sir, too.